Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a back to school clothing haul and it's going to be a try on, so let's get into this video. And also, before we get into the video, I just want to emphasize the fact that you don't have to go out and buy stuff, and also you shouldn't feel pressured by society to go out and buy a bunch of new shit just because you're going to be going into a new grade, you know, like it's really not a big deal. You're going to school for education, not clothes. So I just wanted to emphasize that little fact for you guys before we get into the video. And yeah, and I'm gonna stop chewing gum. That was disgusting. Sorry, because like I don't want to be fucking munching the whole video. So yeah, this item I got is just a little Vans t-shirt. I got this because it has the California sign on it, and I got it in California. I got it from Kohl's, the boys section. I got myself one and like Chico one, but hers is like different. So yeah, that's medium and boys, because I remember that off the top of my head, but the other ones I don't. Okay, I bought this from Marshall's. It's just a little crop top. I believe it was $16.99 and it's a size small. It doesn't have a size on it, but this is an interesting item because I got some little tea on it. I got this two-piece set, Urban Planet. These are the pants. And what's interesting is that, okay, so first of all, this was like buy one get the other one half off. So in total, I remember that I got the whole thing for 22 bucks, for 22 Canadian. And it is in a size small and size medium. Okay, I didn't know that. Anyways, so I got the whole thing, and little do you know, I see this shit on Fashion Nova. Okay, same thing, and it's so much more expensive. I'm just like, it literally hit me because like I had this little ideology, or I guess conspiracy, going in my head that like these places, most of them just get their shit from the same company and then rebrand them and reprice them, but like it's literally the same thing. And I'm gonna like even put up pictures if I can find it. I feel like there's like certain stores in your malls and stuff that people just look over and then look online, but like little do you know, the stores have the same shit that the online stores have. It's just not as hyped up, and you might get it for a better price. So might as well go in your local mall and just look around, and maybe you might find some good deals. Okay, next thing I got is just a little Nike tracksuit. So these are the pants. They're from the boys section, and I got them from California again, and I got them from Kohl's. This is the extra large. I got it for $35. Anyways, and then I got the matching little zip up, and this is in a size large in boys. So yeah, and then okay, this is cute. Nike Pro leggings. I have the capri ones, but I got the full length one from Sport Chek, and I got it for $25 because I work in Sport Chek and I have a very good discount. This is in a size small. Like Shika got the same thing, so we're matching. And yeah, we're not doing the video together because she has work for the next 16 days in CNE, and like yeah. Next place I went to was Garage, and I bought 2 pair of leggings. I'm really not a jeans person, and if you know me, you know that. But for a person who doesn't like jeans, I got a shit ton of jeans, but you know, anyways. Okay, so I bought 2 pair of leggings, this and these black ones. Ew, I just showed my foot. Okay, these black ones. I was like a buy one get the other one 50% off, but honestly, Garage, if I pop off, still sponsor me. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and I'm just gonna say that Garage leggings are shit. It's not even see-through or anything, but it gets like the little like that thing. It gets that thing, okay? Like for the black leggings twice now, and the first time that I wore them I noticed this. They've gotten ruined, and they have like their fabric has like basically cotton little balls, like yeah, like it has little puff balls, dust balls, cotton balls. I don't fucking know, but it has that shit, and you know what I'm talking about. So I'm just putting you on, and I'm saying opt for the TNA leggings, as I always used to do. But then I'm like, oh, cheaper. And clearly I took an L. And like Shika was like, they say make it in the same company, so just get it. And I'm lying to me because they don't make it in the same company. And I spent fucking money on shitty leggings. But yeah, Target in America. And I got this really super cute shirt. Like, it's beautiful in my opinion once I put it on, because it was like I put her on and she was so cute. I wore her once. I'm in love, and you guys will see it hopefully better on the try on portion. And yeah, okay, and then more stuff from Target. Okay, so I got this little cropped hoodie zip up from Target because literally when I saw it, it reminded me of my childhood. Not even childhood, like pre-teenhood. Because I used to have the exact same thing when I was like 9 or 10 or something like this, like little cropped hoodie, and it was this color, and I used to be in love with it, but my mom threw it away like without my permission because I think I was growing out of it or something. But like when I saw this, I'm like, this is fucking faith. My ass came all the way from Canada to California to find my childhood favorite clothing item, and I still love her. So we gonna wear her for the next few whatever amount of years. But it looks like butterfly sleeves, so I'm not really a big fan of that, but it is what it is, and it's still cute. Oh, plaid skirt, and I got this because it gave me Clueless vibes. If you've seen Clueless, you know what I'm talking about. Came with the little top. They were separate, but like they were paired together, so I got the little top too. So we'll see. I feel like this is like one of those things that I'm gonna wear like once in my life, but I feel like I can wear this with like leggings and it would look really cute. And I'm gonna like go out of my comfort zone and try to wear like my skirts and stuff, because I have a few different skirts and I just like wear them once a year, and then everybody just gets shook. They're like, oh, what? I'm like, I'm that bitch. I used to wear fucking skirts every single day in grade 7. I used to think I was from the cast of Shake It Up. So this is the band from Sport Chek, and I know this is like back to school haul, but bitch, I'm gonna be going back to school fit. I'm changing my life. I'm gonna enter adulthood with a new mindset and a new life and a new attitude and new habits and skills, which I'm gonna make a totally new video about that. But that's one of the main reasons I'm like getting this video done today, because it was on my planner and now I plan my life day to day. So with the help of God, I try to achieve all my goals and stuff. I have bought this from Macy's because she was cute and I think it was on sale, and my sister offered to buy it for me, so I was like, thank you so much, sister, I'll take it. And I also bought like Champion pants, and they were white, but the sad thing was when I put it on, it was kind of see-through, and it had like pockets, and the pocket like lining which showed through the pants. So I sold that on my Depop for $50, but I got it for like 50 American. So I took it along that. But okay, now moving on to Topshop. I just got 2 little tank tops from Topshop. This little one, she's cute, and the same thing in green. And both of them ended up being $18 because it was like buy one get the other one. I think it was like buy 2 and get it for 18, and then I basically got no tax applied to them because I had a student ID, and you get a discount when you have a student ID. So now moving on to shoes, I got this pair of Jordan 1s. She's so beautiful, I love her. From Depop, and a size 4.5. They're so fucking cute. I basically got another pair of Jordan 1s from the actual Nike store, but I didn't like the way they look. I still have them, but I'm definitely returning them. So yeah, so I just bought this. I kind of like paid a little too much for it, but I was like, even if I buy it from like Flight Club and stuff, because I've been wanting a pair of ones, I was like, you know, it's really not gonna work out. Plus, like, if I return the shoes and I was already like selling stuff on Depop, I'm like, it's gonna kind of like amount up to the money that I'm spending on this shoe, so it's kind of justifiable. Then the next pair of shoes I got were Air Max Pluses in the color black. I think it's like black and gray or something, but I just got it off of the Nike website. I like them, but they're not as beautiful as a pair of Air Max Pluses that I got from Champs, but I think they were the women's ones, so they made them a lot better. But I got the kids one, so I saved a bunch of money on it, but it's just not as nice of a make, I think, and the platform is not high enough in this one, I think, but it's still really nice, and it's a staple, and I need this in my closet right now, in my shoe collection or whatever right now, because like my Air Maxes right now are just like really bad. Like, they're really ugly right now. They're beat, so I'm gonna be getting rid of those, and I'm just gonna make this like my staple everyday go-to shoe. What else I got for back to school specific is just a pair of glasses, because I am fucking blind. So I got a new pair of glasses. They're just very simple Ray-Bans. I'm gonna look so ugly with them on, and I have to like I got my eyes like tested again and updated, so I have to go get the frames put into these, but I'm kind of slacking. Tomorrow's gonna be what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get these situated, but yeah, I just got these pair of glasses. Oh my god, I was gonna get the one that's basically like, anyway, sorry, I was gonna get the one that was literally basically like it's black and then it has like a gold rim or the silver rim. I was opting for silver, but my sister's like, nah, like get the all black simple ones because you don't like glasses, which is so true. Like, I like glasses on other people, just not on me. And she's like, it makes your face look like unproportionate when you have like two different colors. I'm like, bitch, I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about, but I guess I'll go for the simple all black ones because you're just touching on a very sensitive topic. Like, don't tell me that my face is proportionate, like the fuck. But yeah, so these are the items that I got for back to school 2018 to 19. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys got, I guess, some idea for what to get for yourself. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because I enjoy watching stuff like this. So I'm hoping that you guys who are watching this also enjoy watching videos like this. So yeah, and my bed is not even made. Like, my duvet cover is literally on the floor. Like, I'm just not feeling it, but at the same time I'm totally feeling it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now because I'm getting a little overboard. But thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye. Good night. Good night, or good morning, good afternoon.